So not the planned video that we was actually going to put out tonight, guys, so I'm sure some of you are going to be disappointed, but once you hear what I've got to say, you'll completely sympathise and understand. So the previous video on the Kango that we're giving away, we have actually chose the person that we're going to give that car to now, but as you can see, the wheel's off, the brake disc's off, and we're just waiting for some discs to arrive before we can announce the winner of that car. What a lucky person that we're giving it to. So quite a lot of you would have already seen the community post that Chris put out this morning, and quite a lot of you would have had a reply regarding this car. Guys, that is not us, and that is the reason we're doing this video today. So you'll see that they're actually called Pinned by Salvage Rebuilds, and where they wrote pinned, they keep changing the little bits on the top of it to keep changing their accounts. Basically, there's loads and loads of accounts. And the more Chris is looking into it, the further back the comments are going. They're all quite recent, but they're putting them on the back catalogue. So we have literally been up since 7 o'clock this morning, going through, blocking them, deleting them comments. It's really, really important. That's why we're actually doing this video, that nobody contacts that number that they're putting on the screen, because it's actually, we've Googled the number and it's an Indian call centre. And what it actually does say, could you read one out for me? Because I've actually deleted them all and I've screenshotted it on this camera. Chris is just going to find one, and then, because I know some of you guys have actually replied to it, because I don't see them doing it, but I do get the replies to it, and it looks like you're actually replying to us.
Congratulations, you have been selected amongst our shortlisted winners. WhatsApp
and then their number, which turns out to be an Indian call centre. And it's normally, we have noticed a little bit of a trend on it, and it's they're only putting comments on comments that I haven't responded to. So if you reach out and say, Rob and Chris, love the video, thank you, I'll heart that comment, but there's no reason to give you a reply, so I haven't replied to you. If someone says, hey Rob, where did you get that product, and I'll reply to you, say they're not actually commenting on the comments that I've commented on. And Chris said that's probably because the people that are reading it, you guys, you'll see it say Salvage Rebuilds UK, and then their comment will be above it and it will say Pinned Salvage Rebuilds UK, and it's all
different channel.
Yeah, it's a completely different channel, and so far we've blocked 4 different configurations of the same name of Salvage Rebuilds UK. It's quite sad, because as we know, we're giving that car away, and whoever has it is just making a donation to charity. And I think they've kind of picked up on that, and what they're going to do is, I don't know this, but we're just making an assumption, is they're going to get you to give them a call or WhatsApp them and make you make the donation, which is disgusting. I mean, they're the lowest form of life. It's unbelievable. And just when, wasn't last month, the month before, that was cryptocurrency, wasn't it? Yeah. And we had a right investment opportunities. And I'll be honest, you do get the odd one still come through now, like an independent, but this was again an Indian call centre, and it was quite difficult, but we noticed it really early on, so we was able to actually nip that one in the bud as soon as we got it, and of course block a few keywords that they do need to use. So Chris has actually blocked WhatsApp in every way, shape or form that you possibly can now, and he's also blocked some other bits I'm not going to get into that should hopefully nip it in the bud. But we are gonna have to sit here. We've got a video half filmed for you, but we're actually going to have to sit here now and spend the rest of the day, which is really, really sad, going through and deleting all of those comments. Also, we have noticed that quite a lot of people, unsuspecting, you don't know that it's not us, have actually replied to them saying, thank you, I can't believe I've made the short list, etc, etc. And guys, I'm so sorry, but I'm also going to have to delete your comments that you've replied to them, because we don't want you involved with them. We don't want you to actually get involved in anything. So the cryptocurrency one's done, and a couple of months before that it was Ladies of the Night, based in China I believe, and some of the images were quite graphic on their pages. So of course, I think it took us a couple of days to realise on that one and got that one blocked as well. We are working really, really hard in the background today, and we are going to try and nail this and nip it in the bud. But yeah, really, really sad. And of course, we can't put out our regular video, which is really, really bad. Chris, this is going to be quite a short video. I know people are not going to watch me go on for too much longer, but is there anything that I've said, because we have discussed this in depth this morning, is there anything I've said that I need to add?
No, but we may have to turn off and disable comments on all videos until we get to the bottom of it.
Hopefully, I don't know if you might be hearing this twice, guys, but we just sat there and discussed what we might possibly have to do, again, which is sad because we love the community and we love the community spirit, and you guys know I'm always on there replying and I really do enjoy it. We may have to, just short term, disable comments on the videos just till we get this under control, because quite frankly it's out of control. Chris rang me early doors this morning and said it's happened again. So yesterday morning I actually got up, checked the comments in the morning about 7 o'clock, and I rang Chris and said, when did you find that scammer? And he said it was about 6 o'clock yesterday morning. So I went through and deleted 198 comments. Again, quite time consuming, not something we want to do, and not something that we want you guys to see or get tricked on or scammed. So we are, unfortunately, this is tonight's video. We're going to crack on in the background, and hopefully from Friday things resume back to normal. So guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Anything else, Chris?
I don't think so. Other than we've got a lot of words we've blocked.
Yeah, do you know what?
We don't want to divulge what those words are.
Do you know what we do?
Just maybe explain that when they're blocked, it doesn't mean we don't see the comment. It just means we have to approve.
That's right. So all the words that Chris has blocked, they actually, when you leave a comment, they will go in held for review. Chris will see them and he can allow them. Also,
that takes quite a time.
It does take quite a bit of time.
Panic.
Yeah, don't panic if
it doesn't show up.
If it doesn't show up, yeah, then there's an issue. If you do go to a comment and it comes up with a little thing saying failed and it doesn't go through, that's because it contains a link, or no, there won't be no blocked words because they go in review. But all links across the channel have been blocked for obvious reasons for quite a long time ago with the ladies of the night. So we had to block the links because they kept putting links in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't panic, they will go in. And one thing that has just come to my mind, because I meant to say it in every video, but it does always slip my mind. So if you send me a comment and say, hey Rob, where's this car going to be advertised? And I'll reply saying Instagram. And then you put a reply to me. I don't actually see that reply. So you have to start a new message. So if I don't actually reply to your second message, you have to start a new one. It's something that I've always meant to mention, but I do forget. And how that works is, if you're comment number 90 and I reply to you, by the time you reply, there's been another 40 comments. So I don't actually see it. So I don't roll backwards through the comments. I'll stick to the ones that are upcoming. Guys, I'm not going to keep going on about it too much. Hopefully you all really do understand why we're doing this and why we can't put a video out tonight. So we'll leave it there, and hopefully, like I said, on Friday things will resume as normal. We haven't started videoing Friday's video yet, so what I will do is actually, when we start Friday's video, I'll let you guys know whether the comment section's going to be disabled or not in that video. Hope everybody's having a lovely day, and we'll see you all on Friday.